guys, can you guys help me out?
Sure, how can we help?
I got one basket with red clothes and one with white.
You want us to wash them?
Yes, you wash the red clothes and Akim, you do the white ones.
On it!
Whoa, 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 whoa! You guys need money, and one washing machine is 10 bucks. So, how much money do you need for 2 washings?
20 bucks!
Indeed, 20 bucks.
Thank you, see you later!
Akim, how much is washing again?
10 bucks for the white clothes, 10 bucks for the red clothes.
Can we put them in one machine?
If we put all the clothes in one machine, we pay 10 bucks!
We can save money.
Oh yeah, that's smart thinking, Arthur.
Dad will be so happy.
I will pay 10 bucks. Will you put the clothes in the machine?
On it.
You kids are gonna do washing?
Yeah, for one machine, please.
You're without your parents?
Yeah, my dad asked for help. Now we're here.
Okay, well be careful. It's 10 bucks for one machine.
Here you go.
Good luck. You can pick any machine you want.
I will, thank you. And, did it fit, Arthur?
Yep.
Let's wait on the couch until it's ready.
Okay.
Oh, good job reading, guys. It will make you smart.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, the washing machine is ready. I think you got the wrong machine. These clothes are all pink.
But put all the clothes here.
Did you guys put red and white clothes in the same washing machine?
Is that a problem?
Yeah. If you put white clothes with red clothes, it will turn pink.
Oh no!
I hope your dad likes pink.
Dad is gonna be so angry. This is his favorite sweater.
Oh man!
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Ah, you guys finished already. Good news.
Yeah, well, we got good news and bad news.
Uh-oh. Well, the good news first.
We saved you 10 bucks.
Saved 10 bucks? But it gave you money for 2 washings.
Yeah, but we put everything in one washing machine.
We want to make you happy.
Oh, well, that's very creative thinking, but I guess my favorite sweater is now pink.
Yup.
Oh man!
It's okay, guys. I was tired of red already, and I think pink will look good on me.
Huh? You're not mad?
Of course not. But next time when you get some creative ideas, first ask me, okay?
Deal.
Now, why don't you take the other 10 bucks and treat yourself on some ice cream? You guys deserved it.
Nice. Did you know there's a new student coming today?
Really? I hope she's nice.
You again? Hello, it's me.
Good morning, class. This is our new student. Be nice to her, okay?
I'm Arthur.
You are small and I am big.
Hello, I got a new backpack for my birthday.
Mine's cooler and that is for little baby.
Kids, take out your pens, please.
So small. Wow. See? My red pen is bigger.
Showing off is not nice.
Still bigger. Teacher, I only got a black pencil.
Here.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you, Arthur.
Being kind is a nice quality. Time for math, guys!
I finished a long time ago. It's too easy.
Good job, guys! Time for a snack.
You guys have that for lunch? I have a burger. Hamburger! It's so tasty.
Eating healthy and having good manners is important.
Is that a spider?
Uh-huh, it's a spider.
Spider? Ah!
Yes, S is for spider.
Oh, I thought it was a real spider.
No. You can sit down.
Oh, okay. You guys are not making fun of me? Why would we? We're all afraid of something.
You're so kind, Avelina. Good job.
Sorry for showing off earlier. You guys are so much cooler than me. It's okay. You want my apple? That would be nice.
It's nice to be kind to people, kids.
Hey, Akim, come play upstairs.
Okay.
Hey, Akim, where's your phone?
I forgot.
Stop!
Did I drive over your phone? You should be more careful next time. Arthur, you cannot climb on the chairs! It's not safe! Here, let me help you. Ooh. Here, Arthur, a coin for you. Enjoy!
What?
Amelia! We're gonna learn about pets. Cats and dogs. Yes, Wednesday. Amelia! Oh no! Amelia, you should not put food and drinks on the couch. It can fall.
Sorry, Dad. I'll not do it again. I'll clean it.
Good job, Amelia.
Bye, Dad.
quiet. Arthur is sleeping.
Huh? Oh, oops.
Yeah.
Let's ask Dad to join us.
Okay.
Dad, come play with us. It's fun.
Guys, I'm a bit tired. I will take a short nap, okay?
Dad, it will be fun.
Come on.
Just 15 minutes. And then wake me up, okay?
Okay.
Is 15 minutes finished?
No, a little bit longer still.
Is it 15 minutes already?
Almost.
Ready,
Yep, time to wake him up and play. Dad, wake up. Time to play. Dad, come on, wake up. He doesn't wake up.
I got an idea.
It still didn't work. He's still sleeping.
I got the idea. Dad. Oh yeah. Let's rock and roll.
It didn't work. This requires teamwork. Let's go. Nothing works. I'm so tired.
I got so much energy, guys!
We tried waking you up, but nothing worked.
Sorry, what did you say?
What? You had those in your ears the whole time?
Yeah, otherwise all that noise will wake me up. Shall we go and play now?
I'm tired.
Me too.
I need a nap.
Okay.
Where is she?
Did you guess the treasure?
I don't know.
There it is!
Quickly, put this inside. The watch is coming.
Where's the witch?
I don't know. Get inside quickly.
Now, where is the treasure?
Let's see what's inside the treasure.
Oh yeah.
What? No!
Where did I leave my broom?
We need to distract her to get a treasure bag.
Yeah.
Akim? Where's Akim?
I have a plan.
We'll be ready.
Hi, witch. Look, I'm a cool tiger. Cool, huh?
You like tigers? I like unicorns.
What? No!
Enjoy. Now, where did I leave my broom? I left it in the garden. What? This is not my broom.
Looking for this broom?
Give it back.
Not so fast, or I'll break your broom.
Now, witch!
Okay. Enjoy your treasure.
Now let's see what's inside.
Yeah. Will there be toys inside?
Or gold? Let's find out.
Enjoy the treasure.
She took our treasure? We'll get you